Acts 20 to 24 follows Paul over several years. He starts out in Ephesus, free and preaching, but he ends up in Caesarea, in jail and preaching. The journey was not a straight line. The story is a first-hand account, and it looks like at Philippi, Luke himself, the author, is in the travel party where he is continually saying, "We went here and there," and so forth. This reads like a travelogue all the way to Jerusalem. I'll let you read the details. Let's now focus on several things. First, chapters 20 to 21 shows just how much like Jesus Paul is. This reads like the Gospel of Luke's Jerusalem travel narrative, where Jesus went to Jerusalem knowing he was to die. Acts 20 to 21 has Paul doing the same thing. "I'm going to Jerusalem," despite several warnings spoken through the Spirit not to go. There is an interesting tension between the Spirit taking him there and at the same time warning him what would happen if he went. Paul is acting very much like Jesus in all that he does. He accepts his mission, walking headlong into it. In a landmark statement, he says to those begging him not to go, "What are you doing, weeping and breaking my heart? For I am ready not only to be imprisoned, but even to die in Jerusalem for the name of the Lord Jesus." Second, in chapters 21 to 24, Luke shows just how Jewish Paul still is. Paul does not see himself in a new religion, but cooperates with James, who says, in effect, "You have to show them how this is not true. You see, brother, how many thousands there are among the Jews of those who have believed. They are all zealous for the law, and they have been told about you that you teach all the Jews who are among the Gentiles to forsake Moses, telling them not to circumcise their children or observe the customs." This is startling, since people today think Paul converted from Judaism to Christianity. Third, Luke crafts his story. There are many speeches in Acts, even private ones, to aid in the story Luke is telling. This is not that different from the way preachers today summarize or retell stories in their sermons to help get their points across. A good example of this is to compare the details of Paul's encounter with the Lord on the road to Damascus. The story is told 3 times in Acts, but never exactly the same. In fact, some of the details don't match. This doesn't mean it's wrong. It simply means that when retelling the gospel story to others, that level of detail may not be important.